afternoon. Today is Wednesday, June 25th. Market just closed, and I want to show you a few trades today in the E-Mini S&P 500. This is the E-Minis right in here. This is a 3-minute chart. This is where the market opened up today. Okay, gapped a little lower from the prior day's close right here. Gapped lower. Then the market shot up. Call this an opening drive play. Okay, so we had some momentum to the upside. It immediately filled that gap, rallied to the high, okay, and then it pulled down into a beautiful support zone right now, okay, right in here, right where I'm drawing the line, which is approximately 50% of that opening move to the upside. So let's go ahead and draw the fibs from the low up to this high, and you will see 50% was right here. Beautiful buy right there. All right, this is a classic trade setup. And then what I taught you a couple weeks ago, if you've watched my free video series a couple weeks ago, the first half-hour breakout. Let's take these off. So that was a good play here to the upside right there. Profit objectives were hit to the upside and then some, right? So then you got that first half hour's range, right? We want to pay attention to the first half hour's range. So the first half hour's high was right there, and the low was right there. If you're flat the market, what you would want to do is buy the market as it took out that high of 1946 and a quarter to 1946 and 3/4. First profit target would be 47 and 3/4. Went to 48 and 3/4 immediately. Okay. So it not only gave you the first profit target of only 1 point, but it gave you 2-point profit. Okay, rallied up to this high. And at this point, as the market was coming down off the high, you should have been looking to buy it again because obviously the trend was up. So you not only had the market opening down and running up for that opening play to the upside, you had a nice buy right here. Okay. You had another buy as it took out that high based on the first half hour opening breakouts. This is in the first, right, half hour there. So the minimum profit target there was 1 point. The profit target here was about 1.5 to 2 points on the first smallest profit target. And then when the market made a new high, that proved to you that the market wanted to continue going higher. Okay, so the market pulled down. And again, if you recall back to the video series about 2 weeks ago, in that second video, The Truth About Trends and the Powerful Price Patterns, the market pulled down into another support zone right in here. And look at how the market contracted, busted up. That was your entry as it took out those highs. And as you can see, the market continued higher, and all your profits were hit to the upside as well. Now, you might be thinking, well, what are these windows open? What are you looking at? These are just some of the internals that I also look at. It's like looking under the hood to see if the market's truly strong or weak, and I teach that in my E-Mini program. And tomorrow, Thursday the 26th, I'm going to reopen that program for only 12 hours. So hope to see you on board. For those of you that didn't get on board last week, okay, let me just quickly show you 2 of the stock trades that I kind of pointed out to you yesterday as well. First one being Costco. Okay, Costco. Remember I told you that right in here would be a buy, right? Because we had a nice reversal pattern down in the gray action zone, okay? As you can see on that bar, the market opened and closed near the highs of that bar in a significant support zone. Market's up about 1 point from where you would have been long. Now, on the other side, MasterCard, I told you that if the market takes out the high right here, that could be a buy. The only negative that I pointed out to you that we were in fact trading below the blue, right? The blue and the gray action zone, which was the only negative for this trade, right? Now, yes, the trend changed from down, right, red bars to green bars. We pulled back, we rallied, we couldn't really take out that high, and we've been straight down ever since. I was looking at this as, look at the market was hitting the 200 exponential moving average. I thought maybe we could get a pop up if it took out that high. It did take out the high and then completely reversed. But remember, a trade like this, you got very small risk. You know, you're buying it above the high, right, with a stop right below the low, and you would have been stopped out on that. So, hey, not every trade works out. Basically, what we're looking for is we're looking for trades on the CVX, right? Remember this trade that I gave you, all of you, a couple weeks ago? got out right in here. So we had the home run on that trade. And then if you recall about a month ago, we hit this one as well. Okay, right there. That was the buy now. Okay, so hope that all helps. If you've got any questions, let me know. Have a phenomenal evening, and I'll be back with you first thing tomorrow morning. Bye for now.